Whether it's business or your personal life, there's literally thousands of times every year that you want somebody to do the thing that you want them to do. I'm going to teach you 2 words right now that are going to help you get your way. You're going to find that people are a lot more likely to do the thing you want them to do when you lead with these 2 words, most people. What most people do is they sign up for our 5-user package first and then they move on from there. What most people do is they sign up for a free appraisal. We come out, we give them an idea of what they're going to be looking at. When you lead with most people, it allows somebody to feel comfortable. Imagine if you and I were on a hike and at the top of that hike, there was a cliff and I said, hey, do you want to jump off the cliff? There's refreshing water below. You'd be like, no way. But now what if I told you, listen, I've been on this hike 100 times. I know you're probably hot. Most people are. What most people do, because I've seen them do it 100 times, when they get to the top of the cliff, they take their backpack off, they put their shoes aside, and they jump off into the refreshing water below. When I let you know that's what most people do, it's a lot easier for you to agree to do it. My name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.